I don't want to film.
I don't either, but I drove here, so we have to
and
now.
I put on all this makeup, so we have to.
Yeah, same. I don't put on makeup for nothing.
I really don't want to film. I have no energy in me. I feel
either.
dead inside.
But we have to, okay? We're
Just
we're
get
this
it done.
far,
Okay,
get it done.
Fake it till you make it.
Yeah.
Hi everyone, it's Lily.
And Emily.
And today we have another Doki box unboxing. This is the DokiDoki Crate. It is the February Valentine's Day edition? Yeah, 2021 February. This is what the box looks like. It's very Valentine's Day themed.
We should pose with it for the thumbnail.
And we go... No.
No, you go, and I go.
Like Macaulay Culkin style.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's open the box. Valentine's Day. Very Valentine's Day. Actually, that might just be the normal DokiDoki pattern. I don't know. Alright, so this is DokiDoki February 2021 and Valentine's Day, so chocolate and hearts and cute things. First we have...
So cute.
Whoa, feel it.
Ooh, that's like a
Isn't it
squishy. I don't know, that's weird.
It's like a soft squishy. So this is I think it's a pom-pom pudding, a little keychain squishy thing. And oh my gosh, I can't describe just how soft this is. He's so soft. And here's what the back looks like. Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. He's like a little cupcake. So cute.
A little pup cake.
Yeah.
There's
Next
a dead
up,
rat in here.
This is the dead rat.
The dead rat. It's cute. It's kind of funny though. Is it a dog toy?
I'm not gonna give it to any dogs. I'm
No,
gonna keep
it's too
it.
cute.
It's too
Cute.
cute. It is this gray long kitty cat plush. He squeaks like a dog toy. I have to not do that too much though, because Cooper will come down here and try to destroy it. It's super cute.
It is really cute.
It's really funny. I need to like prop it up behind something so it like peeks over and looks at me.
It does kind of look like a newborn kitten.
It does.
Another
wow.
toy.
Ooh,
That's
this is a
Is it a finger
bird.
puppet?
Like, yeah, you're supposed to put keys or like an ID or something.
Oh,
on
like
the
a
bottom.
badge onto him.
I know that a lot of these products in these boxes have several different colors, and I am like so pleasantly surprised with the colors and versions that I got. You put a thing on and then it just, yeah, that's so cute.
Like a badge or something.
Oh, wow. Okay, which one next? That one or that one?
Yeah, I don't know.
This one? Sure. Little twin stars. A lot of little twin stars in these boxes.
Yeah, I guess they're pretty cute.
They are pretty cute. Okay, let's read this. Little twin stars, a little twinkling tea will put you over the rainbow and into the gentle arms of the clouds above.
Aw, but it's not tea.
I don't think
Or is
it's
there tea in? No, I don't think there's tea
No,
in
I don't
there.
think that's tea. I think there's a washcloth and some lotion or something in here. I'm going to open it up.
Mixture of the two.
It's really pretty looking though. Okay.
It's like a little gift set.
Kitty's it.
That's the thumbnail.
Beautiful. Yeah, smell that. That already has a smell
Whoa.
to it. It smells like soapy
smells
bubble
like
gum
bubble gum.
or something.
Hand cream and a little towel.
Yeah, so we got some hand cream. Let's smell this. Oh, I hate that.
I don't hate it. Kind of smells like fake
It
banana
smells
or something.
like old ladies.
Yeah, it kind of smells like old lady.
It smells like old ladies. More like old twin stars. Am I right?
The little box and everything was really cute though.
Oh.
Very fancy.
Oh, it smells awful.
It smells awful, but it does smell weird.
It smells like soap you get at a cheap motel room.
Yeah.
Oh, but anyway, this is really cute. I like the limited color palette on this. I mean, it's a nice washcloth, and you probably could never have too many washcloths. Hey, it's editing Lily, and I just wanted to say I washed that washcloth, and this is how it turned out. Like, it almost completely disappeared. Like, what the heck? What did they use to print on this? Like, I don't get it. Anyway, that's what happened. And finally, I think this is like the big item. Let's see. So it's a little My Melody little jewelry box kind of situation. And it is super cute and it's chocolate, Valentine's Day themed. All right, I think that's it. Okay, it just says they each have a lovable heart on their belly that when pressed makes a squeaky surprise. So I don't know if it's actually a dog toy.
It also says the long cats are reaching out to hold your hands.
And give you a hug. Yeah, the Sanrio. Which one was your favorite?
Yeah,
I think
he's
the
really
Pudding
cute.
is my favorite. He's so cute.
I like the long cat the best.
And the cat and
He's
the
funny.
bird.
And the bird is super
Yeah,
cute
the plushes were really good this time.
You got a lot of plushes.
Yeah, a lot of them. Well, that was the February 2021 DokiDoki Crate. I think it was pretty good. I enjoy the little plushies a lot this time. And yeah, I think I like it a little bit better than last month's. What do you think, Emily?
Yeah, I think this one was better.
Yeah.
I kind of liked the variety that last month had more, though.
That's true, yeah.
And if you guys want to check out my Kawaii box opening for February, that should be up on our channel right now.
We can put it so you can click it right here. Ooh.
Which one of our two did you like better? Like, did you like the Kawaii box or the DokiDoki box?
I don't even... What even came in yours? Oh, that baby. I like mine this month better, I think.
I don't remember what else came in mine.
I think that just means it was not memorable. Personally, I think this one was pretty good.
Yeah, this one was really good.
All right, thanks so much for watching. See you later.
Bye-bye.
Subscribe, like, comment. Okay, bye.